Introduction to Photo Editing. Welcome to our photo editing tutorial. Whether you're a beginner looking to touch up your vacation photos or a budding artist ready to create stunning visuals, this video will guide you through the basics of photo editing. Hi there, I'm your name, and today, we're diving into the world of photo editing. From adjusting brightness and contrast to adding filters and effects, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start editing like a pro. Let's start with the basics. Here's a photo we'll be working with today. First up, let's talk about adjusting brightness and contrast. Brightness controls how light or dark your photo appears, while contrast affects the difference between the lightest and darkest areas. Adjusting these can instantly make your photo look more vibrant or moody. Next, explore cropping and resizing. This is super handy when you want to focus on a particular part of the image or make sure it fits certain dimensions. Like for social media, to crop, simply drag the edges of the photo to your desired size. You can also rotate the image to straighten it or create a more dynamic composition. Let's add some filters and effects. Filters can drastically change the mood of your photo with just one click. Here, I'm trying out a vintage filter to give the image a nostalgic feel. Remember, you can always adjust the intensity of the filter to suit your style. Finally, let's talk about retouching. This is where you can remove blemishes, smooth out skin, or even change the color of certain elements in your photo. Using tools like the spot healing brush or clone stamp, you can quickly touch up any imperfections. And there you have it. These are just the basics, but with a little practice, you'll be able to transform any photo into a masterpiece. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy editing.